something about Blake Lively's legal battle has shifted again. And this time, it's not a new accusation or a leaked text message. 1 month before the trial was set to begin, a federal judge quietly dismantled the core of her case against Justin Baldoni. On Thursday, April 2nd, Judge Lewis Liman issued a 152-page ruling that threw out 10 of Blake's 13 claims, including the misconduct allegations that first ignited this fire, along with defamation and civil conspiracy. At first, the news spread quietly. Legal documents don't break the internet the way a New York Times expose does. But then fans and followers started reading between the lines. The judge didn't just dismiss the claims on a technicality. He dismantled them piece by piece. He found that Blake, as an independent contractor rather than an employee, lacked standing to bring certain federal workplace behavior claims. He also ruled that the alleged improper conduct occurred on set in New Jersey, not California, meaning the state laws she tried to use simply didn't apply. And the defamation claims? Tossed too. The judge determined that statements made by Baldoni's lawyer in defense of his client were protected speech, not actionable defamation. Some say this was always going to happen, that the legal foundation was shaky from the start. Others see it differently. They point to the timing, 1 month before trial. Right after Blake's team had spent months building a narrative of retaliation and a coordinated smear campaign, and now, with just 3 claims remaining, retaliation, aiding and abetting retaliation, and breach of contract, none of them are against Baldoni personally. Her legal team insists the heart of the case remains, that Blake stood up for safety on set and then faced devastating retaliation. But the courtroom math has changed. Baldoni's attorneys didn't hold back, saying they're very pleased and grateful for the court's careful review. So the question quietly spreading through Hollywood circles and fan forums is this a simple legal reality check? A case that overreached and got scaled back? Or is there something deeper about how hard it is to prove what happens behind closed doors on a film set? Because sometimes, a judge's ruling doesn't just decide a case. It rewrites the story everyone thought they knew. And this story isn't over yet. The trial is still set for May 18th. But the version of Blake Lively versus Justin Baldoni that heads into that courtroom now looks very different from the one that began in December 2024.